How's it going? I'm going to talk to you about two products from Sörbo. One is the glass cleaning soap and the other is the Squeegee Glide. With the glass cleaning soap, it's a sudsless soap, so it's a lot less cleanup at the bottom of the sill, and it keeps your window clean a lot longer, and it gives it a good shine too. And with the Squeegee Glide, this helps like in hot days. It keeps from the water from evaporating real quick, and also it's a friction reducer, so your squeegee rubber is going to last a lot longer. And I recommend that you use this when you do paint scraping with the razor. Like I said, it's a friction reducer, so that's going to help you. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate cleaning these windows right here and show you how efficient I can be with Sörbo's tools.